Yes. Oh, Bill, I'm very sorry. Didn't finish raking up, huh? I'll get him right on that. Did you already make the payment? No, did you pay already? Just making sure you paid, that's all. Thank you, Bill. I'll make sure he gets over there promptly. Thank you. Cocksucker. Ice cold.
What?
We need you to go over and rake up the rest of the leaves in the grass over at Bill's house.
What?
You know, he made a payment. We need to at least do the job.
Yeah.
Okay. Please go over there promptly.
Hell. Yeah. And that's the bottom line. Ice cold says so.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you very much. You're a valuable asset to the company. Very much appreciated. Oh, excuse me, it's my phone. Hold on before you leave. Got something to tell you before you go. Esquire. Oh, hi, Don. How are you? Well, I gotta say, you're as good as someone can be in this situation. So what's the status? Oh, you're serving the papers? Fantastic. Court date tomorrow morning. Oh, she's working beautifully. Thank goodness. So happy to know that. Well, we'll be all in touch for that and ready to go. Excuse me. Excuse me for a second, Don. Allergy season. Oh, good Lord. Sorry about that, Don, yes. Well, we'll see you in the morning then. Fantastic. Talk to you then. Excellent. Well, Lawnmower Men here, everything seems to be going as planned. What are you doing on there? For crying out loud, Ice Cold. This is nonsense. You're supposed to be on there like that. What a joke. Get up and stop playing around. This isn't funny. Just fucking die. Damn son of a bitch. Oh, what are you gonna make this do? It's not low, bitch. Jesus Christ almighty, this is a pain in the neck. Alright. Here's one mosquito gets him off you, you son of a bitch. Damn it. Alright, you stupid son of a bitch. I'm gonna fucking kill you!
Fuck you.
Oh, God. You're gonna pay for that, Junior. Oh, God. That really hurts. Oh, fine. I'll kind of enjoy this. Not too bad, huh?
Now,
Fun. Hey.
that fun?
That was not.
Rake your leaves,
You want me to rake yours,
motherfucker.
huh?
Yeah.
Rake yours.
Motherfucker.
Oh. Oh, well. I'm gonna play that game, huh?
Yeah, bring that shit,
Bring that
bitch.
shit. I certainly shit am.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it right in your fucking mouth.
Fuck it.
How do you like that, Ashwife?
Fucking piece of shit.
Really?
I ain't playing no more.
Fine.
You're about to get fucked up.
Really? What are you gonna do?
Yeah, you're about to get kicked in the mouth.
Kick me in the fucking mouth, then.
Yeah, bitch.
Oh, that's a little graphic, wasn't it, huh?
Yeah, fuck you.
Very nice. Let's settle this like real men now.
Do that.
With a rake.
I'm not scared.
All right, let's make it happen.
Like Darth DJ, bitch.
Oh, yeah, that's good, and we'll cross more. Yeah.
Fuck that shit.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Get him in there. Yeah. Whoa! Yes, sir.
We just settled out of court, motherfucker.
You know what? Forget it. I'm done. I don't even want the lawsuit. Tell him I dropped it.
Word.
Like I'm dropped now. Good night.
Yo, this your phone? Can I use this?
I don't give a shit.
That's what I thought. I don't give a Yeah, Barry. It's DJ. Yeah, we ain't going to court. Fuck this asshole. Oh, we fought all day, all night. But we won. Fuck them. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, well, that's absolutely fantastic news. Well, thank you, DJ. I owe you one. Bye. Well, folks, Barry Stintz here. Thank you so much. And the court is out. Woo-wee! God. Thank goodness for German beer. That's a little bad, by the way, Canadian. And I think it's time to celebrate this non-court date with some fantastic Ronzoni. Oh, yes. Ronzoni, folks, that's the time to go. Let's make this shit up and eat it, yay!
Thank you.